Hey, welcome back to Plastic Madness. Today we're going to be looking at one of these figures, another figure from Great Toys. This one is um, Wolf Nachi. This is another Meat Cloth EX from Great Toys. Um, Box is pretty simple. It has a wolf on the front. Super something here. Some super something here as well. And the back has a bigger wolf figure, and this one also came with like a model number and the actual figure. Great Toys EX Wolf Lupus Nachi. Not over here, nothing else other than the manufacture date was August 2023. That's it, nothing else. So there's nothing else to do. Let's go and open the box and see what's inside. All right, and so when you open the box, you get the clamshell or blister with the metal pieces and the back and front hair parts. So you get the hair with the back of the tiara or mask, and the hair with the front of the tiara. Sorry, the mask with the mask. All nice color. The color seems to be the same on even on the plastic pieces, so that's good. So we'll take a look at this in a minute. And then you got two more hairstyles. Another hairstyle here without without the tiara or mask. So this is if you want to have him without the mask. Put that on the side. In the other bag, you get the EX body style. And remove the hands. We're not gonna need this. So put this on the side. This one looks in good shape. The color matches all across the figure. The neck and the arms, the color is the same. And since we're talking about that, let's take a look at the four faces that the figure comes with. Let's see, you get Nachi with eyes closed, eyes open, a little smirk, looking to the right, sorry, looking to the left. And doing an attack, looking up, doing an attack, and a serious face, a more serious face. All of them, as you can see, the colors the coloring on the face matches the actual body, like the arms and the neck. So that's good. Let's keep that over there. So I'm not sure what face I'm gonna use for him, so this on the side. You also get another bag with the hands and the fist covers. Since it's Great Toys, you get 4 fist covers that you gotta remove from the sprue. You get two, let's see, one pair, two. So you get 3 pairs of hands and one single hand pointing. This one, the pointing one, seems to have like a little bit of paint on the thumb, which that was a flake. So yeah, so it's not paint is decent. It has a little bit of missing paint there at the index, right there, so you can see it. We're not gonna use this one because don't need that. Since it's gonna be so typical pose, we're gonna probably use this one, sorry, this one and a fist. There you go. That's what we're gonna use. And oops, we're gonna grab. Let's see. That's gonna be one. I'm gonna use these to cut it. So let's see. Hopefully, cut this nicely. Nope. And this one is this, right? Yeah, that's for that one. Perfect. And I feel like maybe I should be just trying to cut them by just popping them, but maybe I need a different, a little knife. I have one knife somewhere over here. I'll do that off camera to make them look nice. And since we have that, let's open the clamshell. Normally I open this on the side, but making an exception now. I don't know if it's gonna make the video longer or not. I'll do some editing after that. So, all right, we get the shins. You get the very nicely painted chest piece, belt, the front and the back pieces of hair. This one is what the two arm covers or protectors. I see they have some, both they have blemishes, a little bit of blemish. The 2 feet are very nicely done. That's what it looks like. Knee pads and shoulder pads. Let's get this out of the way. All right, and let's go ahead and start working on this guy. Let's see. There is no mark for marking for these, so they're gonna be, that doesn't tell you which one is left and right, so they can go either way. Push that one in there, bend the knee, and then just push them. And for the feet, this one goes in there. Okay. So far, joints on this figure, they seem, or they feel tight enough to hold the figure in place, not falling. So that's good. Okay, we have the boots and the shin covers. All right, let's put the knee pads. Let's see there, yeah, in the right spot. Okay. I feel like they should be going in a little bit better, but they don't. Yeah, that one's, that's what I thought. It feels a little bit loose. So we'll see. Let's try this again. The shape of the knee is it makes it hard to push in the knee pad. The shape of the knee pad is very pointy, very sharp angle, so it's hard to push in, but it's sure to go there. Okay. All right, so it looks nice. I have the one from MST. I haven't taken a look at that one, so I'm not quite sure if the color is the same. I know the color for the body is lighter, which I think that was more accurate to the anime than this one. but this one, the color for the I feel like the color for the pieces, for the metal pieces, is more accurate to the anime. All right, so these ones don't seem to have any. There's the same, so we can just put them this way. We're gonna borrow Seiya's pose, so that's what we're gonna use. Let me see if I can push this one a little bit more in. Okay. Okay, that should do it. Okay. All right. Let's see. Next, we're going to do we're gonna install the belt. Belt goes from the top. At least that's what it looks like. Yep. There is no pins or anything in there. Nope. Just there you go. So okay, so I don't know if you're seeing on screen, but the belt has a little bit of missing pane there. That's where the belt connects to the sprue. And since we're doing this, let me just move the camera just a little bit up. That should be better. Okay, that's nice. The hinges for the belt are tight, so that's good. I see some blemishes on the body already, but I feel that's part of the maybe the sprues connect. So okay, and the belt leaves room for the waist to rotate, so that's good. Not like a lioness band. That one had definitely a missed check that or not, the tolerances for the tolerance on that figure. All right, so let's pop this little chest plate. This is nice, has like a blue paint, blue details there, so that's very nice. All right, let's fit it in there and see how that goes. Okay, that looks good. So see, this one has a different feeling. This one, it's similar, like the way that it is done as the one for lioness band, but this chest piece doesn't feel as light as the other one. Plus, everything seems to match. It closes. Everything seems to be closing where it's supposed to close. Good job on this one. The sprue is behind in the back of the chest piece, so that's definitely not gonna be seen at all. All right, let's see. We have that. Yep, that one is just fine. All right, that's very cool. All right, so far I don't see any, like, no issues with this figure. Let's see. Do we have an L on the left? Sorry, L right here? Nope. All right, so let's go this way. I think on the previous review for lioness band, I think I put it backwards. I have the feeling that I did that backwards. All right. I gotta go check and see what I did. All right, so then this one, I'm gonna face it this way, and they go there nicely. All right, so far no issues. This figure Doesn't have any issues. Let's see. The ankles are a bit tight, but we'll probably fix. Let's see. How does it look on the camera? Okay, it looks good. Put it back a little bit more. All right, so for the face, since we're gonna use the mask, I'm just gonna put this in here. Let's see. Actually, the hair looks very nice. Nice color. Nice purple color. Let's see. Let's do a serious face. Yeah, let's do a serious face for now. We can do a look. And for the front, yeah. There we go. For the front piece, don't see any, let's see, sprue mark. Yep, on the back. So definitely it's not gonna be visible. So that's good. And let's put this in there and see how that goes. Oh, that fit super nice. And there we have him. Oh, that was really good. Let's bring it close to the camera. Oh, okay. I think I found one issue. Okay. Yeah. Looks like the knee pads don't fit all the way into the port at the knee, and probably it's because it's super hard to push them because of the angle that they have, the very sharp angle. Maybe I can use something else, something soft that I can use to push so I don't destroy my thumbs. But other than that, looks really good. All right, let me just do a 360 view of this, and then we can finish the review. All right, and here we have him on the 360 view. I have like nothing bad to say about this figure. The only issue, if you want to call it an issue, is like that the knee pads are hard to push into the ports on the knees. But that's just because of the shape of the knee pads. That's all, nothing else. Yeah, paint spot on. What I thought were some blemishes, it was just like something that I just by rubbing it with the glove just went away. So I think this figure is definitely like at least the one that I got is like a 10 out of 10. This is one of the best figures when it comes to like quality. So yeah. So yeah, this one you can try to get at AliExpress. I checked today before I was started recording the video, and I saw that actually some places it's already sold out. So you might want to check that if you want this figure. Hopefully it doesn't go up in price. So yeah, all right. Well, this was the review for Great Toys Mid-Cloth EX Wolf or Lupus Nachi. One of the last Bronze Saint released by Great Toys. Definitely it's a recommended figure. And I think that's it for this review. All right, so if you like the video, give it a like, subscribe, all those cool things. And if anything, I just hope that you enjoy the review. I'll see you in the next video. All right, take care. Thanks for watching, and bye.